Discover the freedom of exploring new roads with the best quality high-carbon steel travel bicycle. Designed for riders who value adventure, confidence, and unforgettable journeys, this bicycle inspires a deeper connection with every mile. Whether commuting through the city or escaping into nature, it delivers a riding experience that fuels excitement, independence, and the desire to travel farther than ever before. Number 1. Wholesale, Bedoff BDF Kids Bike 1820 Watt app number +86 17,384,387 email zh253568@qq.com. It can be sent on behalf of others, and is responsible for after sales and returns. For delivery customers, please contact customer service to obtain the delivery price. A 500 yuan price control deposit is required, which can be refunded. Product name: Bedoff Ferrari. Product model: 1820-inch. Product configuration: high carbon steel argon arc welding frame, environmentally friendly paint, interior decal, sealed central shaft, double layer aluminium alloy CNC rim, 2.5-inch colored tire, shock absorbing front fork, front and rear disc brakes, high elastic seat. The appearance and picture are slightly different due to the replacement of the accessories supplier due to environmental protection or production batch and other reasons without notice. You can consult before placing an order. The replacement of accessories will only be of the same quality or higher quality. Please rest assured Wholesale Express from 5 pieces. More than 20 pieces can be sent to special line logistics. Freight on delivery. Wholesale price does not include freight. Factory direct sales, large quantity from the best, can be customized. OEM, export. Welcome to inquire for retail customers. Please choose the appropriate size according to the height of the child, and you can contact customer service for consultation. If you return or exchange the goods for personal reasons, you need to bear the return shipping fee yourself. Please know. Number 2. Quality high carbon steel travel bicycle. Size: 12 14 inches 16 inches 18 inches 20 inches. Bike frame: steel and painting, argon arc welding or CO2 welding. 22 by 0.8 to 1.5 mm. Bike fork: steel and painting, CO2 welding. Steel/suspension fork: 22 by 0.8 to 1.5 mm. Crank: 1-piece crank, CP or ED or UCP. Part to tighten the seat tube: very easy to assemble and tighten. Brake: F, R caliper brake or R band brake or V brake or foot brake. Handlebar and stem: 4 points handlebar, CP, argon arc welding. 22 by 0.8 to 1.5 mm. Tire: 12x1.75, 16x1.75, 20 by 1.75 or 1.95, 2.125, 2.4 air tires or EVA tire. Saddle: good leather, common or spring/plastic/imitation leather/plate PVC. Rim: 12 inches 14 inches 16 inches 18 inches 20 inches. Steel alloy or aluminium or plastic. Chain wheel and crank: 12 20 40 x 89/1628 t x 102 20 28 t x 127 CP. ED flywheel: 16 t/18 t/20 t. brown/black/CP. Mudguard: plastic, steel, CP. Chain: full chain or 9-form chain cover. Pedal: plastic, with reflector, without ball, PP/TPE/alloy. Paint: painting, color, red, black, blue, green, yellow, etc. Any color you like. Number 3. Adult bicycles. Children's mountain bikes. Bicycle to vertical bar mountain bike. Vertical bar adjustable frame sizes available in 18, 20, 22, and 24 inches. This bike grows with your child from 110 cm to 170 cm. Shock absorption and disc brakes. Features a suspension fork and mechanical disc brakes for a smooth, safe ride. Versatile accessories. Comes with a rear seat, basket, and optional colors to match your child's style. Durable materials constructed with a reinforced body for lasting use in various terrains. Comfortable riding position, sponge saddle and adjustable handlebar height ensure a comfortable ride. Number 4. 21 speed 26 inches mountain bike. Full dual suspension for smooth off-road control. This mountain bike features both front and rear suspension to absorb bumps, rocks, and trail vibrations, giving you better traction and comfort on rugged terrain. 21-speed Shimano drivetrain for versatile gearing, equipped with a reliable Shimano shifter and derailleur system, offering a wide range of gears to tackle steep climbs, fast descents, and everything in between. Powerful disc brakes for reliable stopping in all conditions. Front and rear disc brakes provide strong, consistent braking power whether you're riding in mud, rain, or on dry trails, ensuring safety and control. Durable steel frame for strength and stability, built with a robust steel frame that withstands rough use while offering a stable, confidence-inspiring ride for beginners and experienced riders alike. 26-inch wheels and all-terrain tires for trail versatility, fitted with 26-inch wheels and knobby all-terrain tires that grip well on dirt, gravel, grass, and light mountain paths, ready for adventure wherever you ride. Number 5. Children's folding bicycle, variable speed adult. Every ride creates an opportunity to enjoy movement, build confidence, and experience greater freedom. This folding bicycle is an excellent choice for children, teenagers, college learners, and adults seeking a practical travel companion for everyday journeys. Its stylish appearance adds a modern touch that attracts attention while encouraging an active lifestyle. Perfect for busy schedules, weekend outings, neighborhood exploration, and daily transportation. This bicycle helps riders feel independent and motivated. Parents searching for a thoughtful present appreciate how it brings excitement, happiness, and memorable moments. Students value the convenience of carrying a compact bicycle that fits smoothly into changing routines. Designed for both male and female riders, it supports a sense of adventure while making each trip more enjoyable. Whether traveling through urban streets, visiting friends, or discovering new places, every journey becomes more engaging and rewarding. The 14-inch and 16-inch size options provide flexibility for different age groups, making this bicycle a popular choice for families looking for comfort, convenience, and lasting satisfaction from a meaningful purchase.